Good afternoon, class. This is Vanessa Smith, and I am here to show you the progress that I've made with my website. If we go to my Muse file here, this is the site that I have it now with all my revisions, including the alt test. Let's click on this here. I also had to, in the beginning, I had some troubles with my navigation buttons working, and I noticed that if I looked in my layers panel, I didn't have, well, let's go to the master page because that's where that one's all at. I didn't have the menu placed on the top of everything else, so it was underneath this text box here, which was disrupting. Here you can see the about and the home. So I was able to fix that just by moving it in the layers list. And let's see here, I wanted to show you my phone site. So this is how I have it set up here. I had to make a few adjustments. I noticed when I went and looked at it, the welcome was a little off-centered, and when I tried to center it, it adjusted. I think it's because I have the fluid format, but it put the exclamation mark down here kind of below it in this area, which I didn't like. So I decreased the text size and centered it again, as well as the image here. I had to center that as well. Again, I was having some problems with it. I went through both my desktop and my phone site, and I changed all of the body text to the Buddha, which was one of the web fonts I found on Edge, and I increased them in the phone site to make them look a little bit better and easier to read. Let's see, with my desktop here, the image that I have back here, I could have chosen the browser fill up here and let's see, and gone with the adding an image, but I decided not to do that. I went with just the main image that I had chosen because I wanted it to not fill up the entire screen for one, and I also wanted to be able to change the opacity, which I hadn't discovered how to do quite yet with just the browser fill, so I'm really not even sure if that is something I can do. This is an earlier assignment. These are the type treatments. Oh, Blazer game. Sorry about that. And I think ultimately I had gone more with this style here. I had originally thought of having just a layout of my images for the portfolio section when, which I thought would work pretty well, but overall, once we discovered the widgets and the slideshows, I thought that made everything look a lot more professional and sound for the design. So now here we are on the internet, and this is the actual site. So we can go home, about, and here's the alt text letting you know that it is indeed me. I thought this quote was kind of nice because my graphic design style marries very closely hand in hand with a lot of fine art techniques. So I wanted to kind of incorporate the two and allow my clients to see that connection and how that would kind of set me apart from a lot of other designers in the area. So here with the portfolio, you can see there's some more alt text there and there. We go throughout all of these. This is some of my artwork that I've done. All of them have been done in school, except for all of these. For my contact page, Originally, I'd had my name put here as well, but I decided to remove that. It was a bit redundant with it being under my name right there. I also put the alt text on this image here just because I'm trying to make everything as interactive interactive as possible. And I had a lot of fun. I had never done any web designing before entering this class. It was quite a lot of trial and error in the beginning, but through the help of some awesome classmates and our new very attentive instructor, uh, I was able to pull through, and I feel like I'm getting a good understanding and a good grasp on how to create a strong website for myself when I get going after I graduate. And I look forward to seeing what more we do, what more we learn, and I look forward to seeing what more you all bring as well. Thank you and take care.